stand for a cleaner earth and a greener land. Now I would like to call Anisa Fatima from Kids City High School, Islamabad, to express her topic, the lost generation.
Every generation has a story to tell, but the lost generation had only silence to break. Respected judges, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I speak not only as a student, but as a voice of generation, often unheard, often misunderstood. My topic, the lost generation, is not just a history lesson. It is a mirror reflecting our past, our present, and possibly our future. Lost generation, coined by Gretchen Stein and made famous by Hemingway, referring to a youth who came during the age of World War I, still does not seem irrelevant. Mr. President, 100 years ago, back then, that generation was not lost by choice. They were lost by circumstance. Disillusioned by war, betrayed by politics, they drifted through life seeking purpose. But friends, let me ask, are we really any different today? We live in an age where 1 in every 5 youths suffers from depression, whereas stated by WHO, suicide is the second leading cause of death among 15 to 29 years old globally. UNICEF states that more than 60% of the young people today feel pressured to succeed, but lack the support to do so. Youth unemployment stands at 13% globally, doubles the rate for adults. We are not fighting wars in trenches, but we are fighting war within ourselves. We, Mr. President, are the lost generation. We are lost in screens, in filters, in lies and in expectations. We are told what success should look like, what beauty must be, what dreams are acceptable. And so we stole, we spy, and we silently suffer. As the poet says, I'm trying to find myself, he said, but the map was burnt. But the map was burnt, the stars mislead. Still in the dark, he dared to breathe. For even lost hearts may learn to believe. But being lost is not a curse. It is a call to reawakening, to rise from the noise and reclaim the power of purpose. J.R.R. once wrote, not all those who wandered are lost. Let us not be defined by our pain, but by our silence. Let us be the generation that talks about mental health without shame, that fights climate change without fear, and that dreams widely, loudly, and apologetically. And yet, we are the most educated, most connected, and most socially aware generation in history. So let this be our legacy, not one of loss, but of light. From shattered dreams and silent screams. From shattered dreams and silent screams, we rise with fire, we build new teams. No longer lost, but brave and free. We are the change. We are the change we long to see. In the end, Mr. President, the lost generation is not just a sentence.